Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Android phone, especially Samsung. If you have a Samsung phone, the M52 version. The phone is only show internet, but the internet or the internet connection not work. You can open anything, so it's like there is no signal or there is no a data on your phone, but actually you have your data. You just top up your account, I mean your carrier, but seems the internet not work. So this is how you can do it. There is a case, you have a low signal, the poor signal, so you can try to create or try different APN. So this is how you can do it. You can tap on SIM card and mobile data settings, tap on SIM card info and settings. Here we go, access point names. You can tap it and tap plus. This is how you can create a new APN. So you can fill the name, APN, proxy port, username, password, and so on. And very important, this APN protocol, APN roaming protocol here, and MSC MNC. So how you can fill it? You can search on the internet. It can be different, and also there's a best APN for your area. In your area, you can search for the internet for the best APN again. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.